Do you have a stinky tush? Oh my goodness.
Do you sneeze? Oh. Are you pooping? Yeah. Boop, 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 boop.
Wait, they. Silly boy. You smile, you smile. Oh!
Did you just poop your pants?
Oh my god! It's free!
Hush, what's up at 3 o'clock?
Oh my goodness.
Mama will talk back. Oh, you just pooped your pants.
Are you pushing?
Oh!
Bad.
She's pooping! Oh god!
Is it the best day ever? Is that too?
Come fai? Come è? Dall'intenso.
Fine. What? Talk to me. Oh my goodness. That's not good. Not what I wanted to record. Mason.
Good job. Divine this porcupine. Oh, Gary.
Whoa, what was that?
I think you pooped.
You want cake?
Is that good?
Arr.
Think he's thirsty? What's this ducky say? Yeah, he does.
Oh, you're gonna get the baby wet? Oh!
Daddy's little dude, look at that.
Oh, that's so cute.
With the pants.
Football, you got an outfit. You're into both.
Whoa! Clap, clap, clap. So big. That's right. Oh.
Go ahead, Nala.
Don't let Nala eat a pickle.
She was already all over it.
Jeez. Mmm. 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 Do you like it? Fail. Oh my. Wow. Oh man. I got so much stuff on here.
Yeah, I had to run down to the VA this morning.
You like a doggy? A doggy likes you.
She asked me if I put the electric plug in it, so I couldn't use it last night. I had to run down and get it this morning.
All right. Ooh, happy birthday.
She's observing the crime scene.
Go face.
Face.
Move. Yay, y'all clap.
I'm observing the crime scene. I don't think she likes it.
She don't like it.
Do you feel better after your poop? Do you got some more in there? Oh, a little more.